Morning po. Another day. So, for today's vlog, short orders po tayo. So, umorder po ako ng pansit bihon. So, yung typical po na short order that you could get available siya online, minsan sa mga kapitbahay ninyo na may karinderya. So, wala po akong tatanggalin na ingredients dyan. But before we dive in, kuha po muna ako ng sugar. It's 7:30 in the morning. So yung situation ko po today is wala po akong tulog. I just finished my shift. I worked night shift. So but during yung last meal ko po was around 10:30 p.m. So wala pong ibang food intake. So we'll see. Yan. Tingnan po natin yung blood sugar before I start eating. Ayan. Perfect. So 100, malinaw ba? 110 po yung reading ng blood sugar, and then I'll start eating, and then I'll be back after an hour para sa reading po ng blood sugar. Yun, so see ya. Yun, so 1 hour na po. It's time to do another blood sugar reading. Okay. Sa kabila naman pong kamay. Yan. Okay. So 177 po yung reading 1 hour after I ate breakfast. So balik po ulit ako after an hour. So 2 hours na po since I ate breakfast, so it's time to do another blood sugar reading. So yeah, ito na po. Okay. Oopsie daisy. Yeah. Yun, so 160. It's above 140, no? So as I've mentioned dun sa mga previous vlogs ko, based on my endocrinologist recommendation, 140 and below dapat ang reading ng blood sugar after 2 hours of eating. So ang conclusion natin for today, pansit bihon short order, hindi siya po pwede for type 2. I mean, at least for me, no? Hindi siya po pwede. So yeah, tomorrow we'll try a different one. Kung available yung palabok, we'll do. Or if hindi, then we'll think of another menu. Alright, see you then, guys.